Hello, my name is Matthew Duda, and I'm going to be showing you on the Desmos graph in Calculator how to use these slider features to make a dynamic graph so that students can understand transformations and different things like that. So first start off by going to desmos.com and click on Start Graphing. And I really like to use this with all sorts of graphs. One of the first I use in one of my Algebra 2 classes is the graph of a quadratic. So the general transformation equation that we use for quadratics is g of x equals a times 1 over b x minus h squared plus k. So I just type that in right there with the general parameters. And then what I can click is I can click the add sliders. So since I'm going to be using all four of these as sliders, I'll just click all. So now at this point, I now have a graph. And what I like to use in my classroom is either my students doing this on their own or by myself putting it up on the screen and asking them what they guess things like A, B, H, and K will do when they change that on the screen. So now we'll do things like slide A back and forth and see how the graph transforms. And now my students can describe what's happening. One of my favorites is this. So getting students to understand, okay, what happened there. Same thing with B. I also allow them to just type in, a specific letter or number for H or K. So it's just a really helpful tool. And then finally, my favorite part is to press play with everything. This always gets students excited because kind of a random way to see a lot of different graphs on one screen. But this is one of my favorite features on the Desmos graphing calculator, something I use with all types of graphs, quadratics, cubics, exponentials, logarithmic, anything that you could use parameters and find. Okay, thank you.